Okay guys, today I'd like to show you how to change your hostname of your running system. It's really easy. You just have to open a terminal session with a keyboard shortcut Ctrl+ALT+T. You have to edit 2 files, but before that, if you like to, you can see what's your actual hostname sounds like. Just type hostname -f. So my actual name for my hostname is LPT1. So maybe I want to change it to LPT2. For this, I have to edit 2 files. Both files are located under etc, and you can edit them with your editor of choice. So my editor of choice is the Nano editor. I open those files. The first file is hostname. Sure, I have to enter a password. So now I will change it to LPT2. Save the file. Exit the file. After this, I will change the etc hosts file, and again I will choose the Nano editor. I change LPT1 to LPT2, save the file, exit the editor, open a new editor, and now you see -f. The new hostname sounds LPT2. To take change in the entire system, you have to reboot the system, and after this, everything would be fine. Thanks for watching, and hope you hear me again. Bye bye.